Solvit is a one-room schoolhouse for the 21st century. So it's a really unique education model where it puts learners in the driver's seat and allows them to self-govern and also get real-world skills.
We're excited to start this project here at Solvit Academy. I'm here with Melissa Groff, co-founder and head of school. Melissa, why don't you tell us a little bit about Solvit Academy?
Solvit Academy is an accredited private school. We serve currently kindergarten through 5th grade, and we're really excited about opening our middle school next year, fall of 2023.
You want to show us a little bit of the space?
Of course.
Has a ton of character. Can you tell us a bit about the history?
Sure. When we walked in, we were immediately enamored. The building, it was built in 1906, so it was originally a caramel factory, and then was the ham and shoe factory, and then in the 90s turned into offices, but it actually experienced a big fire and then was redone. So it's got so much history, so much character that we were really excited that we were able to keep some of those original pieces of character in here, like the exposed bricks, the vaulted ceilings. It just makes it such a cool mix of old and new.
Yeah, no, it looks great. So we're in the space that we're going to be renovating. Tell us a little bit about what this space is going to mean to Solvit Academy.
So this space means that we're going to be able to serve an entirely new population of learners. So up until this point, we've been an elementary school, and we're excited that we'll be opening our middle school and be able to serve new families that way. I'm just really excited to see what this looks like now and what it's going to look like after all the work that's being done.
Yeah, no, that's great. I can't wait for demo to start.
I know. I'll see you there.